Hey y'all, we starting off in a little different setting because it's cold.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada, Prada, basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis.
And honestly, your girl has been like snuggled up in this bed. But today's video is really gonna be like a, you know, just kind of like my online class school routine, or just like my morning routine for my online class. I've been up since like 9 something. It's currently 10:48, and since I have to go to work today after class, I'm probably gonna just put on what I'm gonna wear to work for my class. Because for the online class we have to meet on Zoom, and we have to like actually have our camera on. Y'all, it's so annoying, but that's how it has to go. Let's see. So I really gotta get up, brush my teeth, wash my face like normal, and honestly I'm probably just gonna like put on sweatpants and a sweatshirt, but I'm not gonna put on all the layers that I need for outside until after class, because I don't want to be sitting here like hot in my room. My class is at 12:30, so there's that. I am gonna make me some breakfast, because y'all, yesterday I made me some breakfast and that junk was so good, so I need to run that back. I'm gonna make some pancakes with eggs and bacon. Oh, it's about to be so good. And remember that book I was telling y'all about? Child, I'm almost done. I'm on chapter 60, and I believe it's like 66 chapters. Wait, how many chapters? Oh, it's 61 chapters, and I'm on chapter 60, so I really got like 10 pages, like a good 10 pages, because chapter 60 pretty long. Yeah, it's 15 pages left. So, I'm almost done with this, and I'm gonna have to go get me a new book. I kind of also wanted to play with my sewing machine a little bit today, but I don't think I'm gonna have time before my class, because I might or might not. I probably won't. But yes, good morning. How did y'all sleep? Like, I'm using an older tripod that I had, so just bear with me. But yes, like, how did y'all sleep? Good morning. Good morning. Y'all, my eyebrows look, I ain't gonna say so good, but they look like this because I did them last night when I got out of the shower, and I washed my face, and I was just like, let me do my eyebrows. I don't know, I just be doing stuff. Then I have my little pimple patch on. It's ready to come off, but I got my little pimple patch on because I'm trying to steer away from picking at my face, so I'm letting the pimple patch do all the picking for me. Yes, I'm trying to see if I want to go see my herbalist before class. Probably. Okay, it is 10:51. Am I getting up now? I'm probably gonna get up now because I gotta use the bathroom. Okay. let's get the morning started. tonight. Kiss me all before you go. Summertime sadness. Summertime sadness. Planet like communication. Where would we be if we just had learned to be patient? All them what ifs and all them late night conversations about what we could have.
Bad bitches run the world, better grab you one. Bad bitches run the world, better grab you one. In New York, I'm in. Girls.
So, I am practically ready for class. And I thought class started at 12:30, but it really doesn't start until 12:45, which is good because I still haven't made my breakfast. I did not try to take that long to get ready, but I was just like, well, I got all this time. Let me get cute. You know, let's do some baby hairs. Let's put on some mascara. Like, if we gonna do it, let's really do it. So right now I am about to go make some breakfast before class really quick. I'm gonna do me some pancakes, bacon, and eggs. Period. I'm gonna put the bacon in the air fryer while I cook the pancakes, and then the eggs is last, just like how I did yesterday. Period. So let's go. And if y'all haven't eaten breakfast yet, this is your sign to eat some breakfast, because I'm not normally a breakfast girl, but I've been eating more lately, earlier, not waiting until 5 o'clock to eat. So if I can do it, y'all can do it. So make some breakfast with me. Come on. I got like 10 minutes to eat my food, no biggie, but this is the final tea. Okay, we got us a nice little 4-stack with our Waffle House cheese eggs, along with 2 strips of bacon, but I broke it up in half, so now it's 4 strips of bacon, you know what I mean? And we got our lemon zinger tea paired with our Yogi Immune Safe lemon tea. It's hot, but that is sweet. I put honey in it, and oh. That lemon zinger is like top tier. Ooh, y'all. I'm sorry. The eggs are just like eye glistening at me. Hold on. Food back like that. Yeah. Okay. It's 12:34. I got like 10 minutes to eat and set up. Ooh. Yesterday I did a 3-stack. I ain't had no 4-stack. But I ate all of them yesterday. Oh my goodness. I can make a 5-star pancake, boy. Ooh, the trick is to use milk instead of water. So when you do water in pancake mix, you take away from the sweetness. I ain't even lying. These are delicious. A nice piece of bacon. Y'all, I'm about to enjoy my breakfast. I'll see y'all when I'm logging in for class.
Amaya,
I'm here.
say it one more time. Last name.
My last name is Andujar.
Andujar.
Yes.
Remember the day. Thank you,
You're welcome.
Giselle. But I want to make sure we're talking about the differences between the two, but also the similarities. And the beauty of it is 3 things in common: risk, reward, and then understanding how to recognize opportunities with follow through.
So y'all, she got us doing classwork, and we gotta like write on this sticky note I'm finna show y'all. And we had to write about like an uncertain time in the workforce, or like a time we didn't really know
I'm looking
something.
at a question or two in the chat. If you're having
This looks nice.
challenges
This is cool.
editing,
That's
I'm gonna
mine right
just
there.
grab one for a sec.
This is kind of cool.
If you click on your
In a few seconds to finish up. There are some really good things on here. Okay, somebody scratching up one. Yeah, thank you. First one was some examples of unknowns, uncertainties, and ambiguities that you're navigating. We'll talk about these a lot more this semester in the case studies, but also in our regular content. Recognize some of these same titles and headings when you do the discussion questions. And if there are no other questions, y'all have a fantastic week. We're still kind of like in gathering mode, but I'll see y'all soon, okay? Bye-bye. Everybody else when they get to stay. Bye-bye.
Now it's time to play with the sewing machine, y'all. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. Okay, y'all, so a little update on some things. Hold on. So I don't have to go to work anymore because Atlanta is like having some sort of like freeze, and it's like super duper cold. So they said it's really slow, so don't come in. Because I only worked for like 4 hours anyway, so they was just like, don't come in because it's super duper slow, don't want to waste your time. So, cool. So now I can play with my sewing machine for a really long time. Although, like, I don't really know. I don't really know what I want to do. We're just gonna figure it out. We're gonna work together and figure it out. Let's just take this damn sewing machine out finally. And my mama said I forgot some of the instructions, but what is this? The instructions she got must have been the ones that come in Spanish. So this is my sewing baby. This is her. She doesn't have a name yet, of course, but this is she. She is the. I wish there was a thing for left-handed people, like a sewing machine for left-handed people, to where like all this stuff would be on the other side, but it's okay. It's cool. And then this is the little pedal. This is how you plug it up. More thread. Oh Lord, so much stuff. And then in this box was like more needles and more pins, like the tape, some more scissors, all that. Okay. So, position the flat surface of the needle toward the press bar. What? It looked like it's already together to me. But let's see. So, position the flat surface of the needle toward the press bar, then insert the needle. Tighten the needle clip to secure the needle. Okay, the needle is already in here. Needle already in here. The thread is already fed through. Remove the spool pressing, then place a spool on the spool pin. That's this part. This is already on there. Remove the transparent cover, then place the bottom bobbin in the bobbin holder. I gotta draw up the bottom thread. Oh my god. I'll be back when I'm less confused. Okay, so y'all, after like 20 minutes, I had to rethread the bottom down here. I had to rethread it. So I know how to thread it up now. I know how to get it going. So I'm gonna show y'all just like a little mock of like what it looks like. So of course this is best to do at like a desk or something, but I was eager to do it now. So this is like the little foot press, and I'm gonna show y'all what that does. That basically makes this go, and then I'm able to like move around. And shit. Ooh. And then now let's go down. Ah! Let's go down. Okay, now let's put it on the straight line. So number one. So that I can do it in a straight line. Okay. Oh! I gotta put the thing back down. Duh. And now let's lock that into place. I've been sewing in the sky. So, here goes some of the stitching that I was doing. Y'all seen I was doing a straight line. Yeah, I can't really see. But, okay. I was doing a straight line, and then I was playing with the little zigzags. So, this has been like a small little something. What I don't know how to do is like, when I'm done with this, like, am I supposed to cut this and like restart, or just like what's the next step? My plans were to cut this hoodie into like a cropped hoodie and hem the bottom of it, but baby, I am way beyond my I'm way beyond my means. I'm like, girl, I can't do that. So what I need to do is watch some more videos, but it felt good to like play with it, get a jig of it. I know how to feed the needle to some thread. I know how to put thread throughout the whole thing, and I'm playing with a couple designs. Step one is done. We at least touched it and played with it, but I really do need to like educate more. But that's a different series. I'm gonna do a sewing series too. I'm not sure if I said it before in any of these vlogs, but that's definitely like its own series. That is really it for this video. I really just wanted y'all to like spend the morning with me as a, you know, online student. Not full-time online, but just like spend the morning with me for an online class. That's really what I wanted to do, and then I got a little distracted because we got out of class early. But thank you guys so much for spending the morning with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening and afternoon, but because it's only 3:23, I'm about to enjoy the rest of my day off. And honestly, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis.